Welcome again to this small laptop, an AMD Ryzen system. Everything is set up. Started with an encrypted Windows 11, decrypted it, made a dual boot, and now we have a machine that combines Windows 11 and ArcoLinux. There was one thing that was a problem, and sysfailed is something interesting, an alias to see what units did not run with systemd. And I had this backlight thing. So Ctrl-Alt-G, let's hope I can find still some history things that I did recently closed. So backlight is the first thing you have a look at, ArchWiki. And you do see some reference, where was it again, that this does not work in AMD or ATI. I did see something, some reference here. Is managed by an ATI graphics card, Intel backlight. Anyway, so this is the place to be, but the error, and here are the commands as well. So ACPI backlight vendor is what I put in there now, and I found it actually here. But I should have read the ArchWiki. Now I find it, right? Now I know the solution. So here it is. Quiet ACPI backlit of backlight better equals vendor. Now the user in here asks where to do that. Well, the thing is, grub, there's only one place to change grub forever and ever, and that's in the default folder, etc default grub. So I've added ACPI backlight vendor. This is Sublime text, so I do Ctrl S. It asks the password for root. Boom, it's in, it's saved, I reboot it, and as you just saw, there is no error anymore anywhere. So that's the solution, a small intervention in the grub file, adding this thing, and yes, ArchWiki made a reference to it here. So they're completely right. Radeon dedicated GPU with Intel AMD integrated GPU. Voila, it's there. That was the trick, and basically I'm all good now. I just gonna work and play with it, both of them, Windows 11 and ArcoLinux. What I have done, maybe you noticed here, there's another icon which probably gonna change. Don't like this icon at all, but it's supposed to be a battery. And the thing is, we can change here the display brightness, which is a cool thing, but I can also see my mouse, and I can also see my battery discharging. So this little guy, that's the battery, can be removed. Battery monitor, one of the widgets you can add to XFCE. So I'd rather have this one then, and in the meantime I can also go to presentation mode and have more settings. Everything is here straight away. All right, voila, loving my system now. Well, Alt N, next wallpaper. That's variety for you guys. Use the tools that we give you. Wallpaper selector, get your own wallpapers in. Here is Sherlock Holmes, I believe it is, if he wants to appear. And there are so many more of these guys. And here is Star Wars. Don't seem to be appearing at this point in time. Another tip for variety, sometimes you need to just quit it and take a look how long the application stays in there. Know that it's normal, know that it takes some time to get rid of variety, but after relaunching, everything will work fine. I've been like that like 4 years. I mean, whatever, right? You live with these little quirks, and variety is launched again, and then Alt N suddenly is working, and wallpaper selector is working. And why? Because we shut it down and restarted it again. Simple as that. We can live with those little things. As long as it works, we're happy. Whoa, that's a nice one. Enfin, there we go. Yeah, last one. And enjoy your systems, guys. ArcoLinux out.